So here we have this Viva rotating vanity mirror with lights. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so this thing came packaged pretty well. It's fully encased in foam, and everything's wrapped up nicely in plastic. And there is just a little bit of assembly if you want to set this thing up to sit on a table. First, you're going to fold out these two brackets, and then take a screwdriver to unscrew the two screws. The screwdriver that came with it wasn't the right size, so I had to use my own. But anyway, then you're going to line up the metal base and put those two screws back in. And then you can pull off the plastic protective film and it's ready to use. It also comes with a small 3x magnification mirror. It has suction cups on the back so you can stick it to the larger mirror, as well as a 6-foot power cord to plug it in. And it plugs right into the side here. This mirror is definitely a little bit cheaper. These suction cups pretty easily fall off or just get stuck to the mirror sometimes. And the mirror quality itself isn't perfect, but it's still nice to get. Now, taking a closer look at this mirror, this thing's actually pretty cool. It's also a pretty decent size at about 21.5 inches wide and about 18 inches tall. The whole mirror casing and frame is made from metal, and then this backing is a hardboard. And the base also has these foam pieces in each corner so it doesn't scratch your table. The base is a little bit narrow. It could have been a bit wider to make it more stable, and it also wiggles side to side just a little bit, but as long as you don't bump into it, it'll hold up just fine. Anyway, it also has this pretty cool feature where you can actually rotate the mirror to get it to the perfect angle, and there's also a USB port on the side which you can use to charge a device. And if you prefer to hang this thing up, there's actually two keyhole hangers on the back, as well as this packet of drywall anchors and screws that you can use to do that. One of the main features of this mirror is that it has LED lights that wrap around it. There's these simple 3 touch buttons on the front that you can use to turn the lights on and off. And then this button on the left will switch between the 3 different color temperatures. And if you hold down the button on the right, it'll change the brightness. You can dim it all the way down like this, or you can make it pretty bright all the way up like this. And here's a quick view of what it looks like on max brightness with all my other lights off. It's nice and bright and lights everything up pretty well. So yeah, it's a pretty nice mirror. It'd make a great makeup mirror. The only issue I have with it is that the base is just a little bit small. It's not 100% stable, but as long as you're not bumping into it, it'll hold up just fine. And it has some pretty handy features like the built-in lights and the 360-degree rotation, and the USB port on the side is nice as well. So yeah, overall, this is a pretty cool mirror.